Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While leaving the series to explore more transformative opportunities, specifically surrounding the current racial climate, Eva is grateful for the bond of friendship and strong personal relationships she forged with castmates, producers, and Bravo executives.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ricky Smiley reveals Claudia Jordan was fired from his show due to RHOA backlash, praises Porsha Williams and Da Brat for Dish Nation ratings increase video, posted January 14, 2017. Dish Nation cast member Frank Kramer took the Minneapolis polar plunge for Special Olympics Minnesota last weekend.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Following the completion of the acquisition of 21st Century Fox by Disney in March 2019, distribution of Dish Nation, along with Divorce Court and the new 2019-20 game show 25 Words or Less, was transferred to a new division of Fox Corporation, which retained the broadcast network and sports assets of Fox, known as Fox.
Let's help you make your mark.
Porsha Williams makes fans happy with this announcement. She also denies being replaced by Eva Marcille on Dish Nation. Porsha Williams made a lot of her fans happy when she posted this announcement that you will see below on her social media account. She also wanted to set some things straight with her followers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.